Hi, I'm Leah. I'm an artist and creator of Doki Doki Start, an F1 fan art project. And today, I'm packing some orders. While I do that, let me share with you the story of how I got here. I started Doki Doki Start in 2022 after a year of discovering that merging F1 and my art was something that both myself and the community enjoyed. It took off quite fast and I went all in. But in summer of 2023, I moved to Japan with a working holiday visa. I kept creating, but keeping up with an online business during such a big move wasn't easy. And I wasn't as consistent as I wanted to be. I eventually came back to Spain, but a long-distance relationship kept me moving between Tokyo and the Basque Country. Fast forward to this year, my partner moved here, and I'm finally finding my workflow again. Coming back after a long pause isn't easy. Trends quickly shift, plus what was once an unexplored niche is now a space flooded with competition. But I'm doing my best to focus on my own path, making things I'd want to see and protecting the fun that brought me here in the first place. I had a lot of unfinished projects, and I'm finally getting to finish some of them. Like this scene, for example, of Lewis's fashion, where I have illustrated some of my favorite looks he's worn. And that's where I'm at right now, preparing to launch the pre-order during the Hungarian Grand Prix weekend. I am supposed to launch pre-orders for my scene in less than 2 hours. And I'm still not decided on the cover I want. I'm gonna have a heart attack. I swear. I had this cover and for many days I thought I was happy with it. But then I started having doubts. And then yesterday I made an alternative cover and then I made a poll on Tumblr and asked everyone to vote which one they liked better. And the first cover, the original one that I was making, is what's the winner. But I still wasn't sure about that cover. Or it's not that I wasn't sure about that cover. I like the concept, but something wasn't working. And so I'm trying to fix it. I've been trying to fix it for so long. I need to prepare the mockups. I need to prepare the product page. I need to prepare the post that I'm going to make. I gave myself this deadline and I've been working on this project for so long. I don't even know when I started it. More than a year ago. I think I was working on the illustrations for this scene last summer and I actually started planning this like more than a year and a half ago. I start getting a lot of doubts, especially in projects that take a long time to see the light of day. It's so easy to just start questioning everything you've made. And it's so hard because you see something right on the computer, then you print it out and it's like, for example, this one, I was seeing that this text is too small. But then when I printed them out and I made this one bigger, this one was too big. So I just making small adjustments here and there, and it's a lot more work than I expected. It's a lot more doubts than I expected, and I really need to get done with it. So wish me luck to get it done in time, please. The fashion record scene is now available for pre-order until the 5th of August. It will include exclusive freebies like a holaa sticker and a postcard, and it will start shipping the first week of September. Before I end this video, I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I am very excited to start documenting more about my process and behind the scenes and just my day-to-day. You're welcome to subscribe and stick around. And yeah, see you in the next video.